I've been procrastinating with cleaning up my flat for 3 weeks and now it's embarrassing. It's a total mess. Definitely affects my mind because I become more dull. Now I'm gonna clean it and make my flat shining brighty again. Cleaning is going well, almost done. Final bits of the cleaning. Everything is clean now and I feel lighter, yep. Kitchen in perfect order, the doors should be closed. Now the washing time. And together with the washing, to complete the task, I'm gonna do a big job of ironing. I haven't done it for a long time. Everything is ready. I can just pick up what I want to wear and go to work, you know? This is very handy. I'm gonna have the yellow t-shirt today. It really feels nice to be in the clean surroundings where everything can be reachable by hand, where I know where I am. Everything is ready to wear. It's so nice to come back home, realizing that the flat is super clean. Just pleasing to be inside, in the flat where I spend quite a significant chunk of my day. I'm going to put things into order straight away so I don't clutter the place. Food goes to the fridge. I cleaned the flat, I feel good. I mean, everything is good order and clean. You know, I can now focus on my main role of editing vlogs.